What's up guys, it's Raul TV, Team R4UL, your favourite YouTube mechanic, back again. And what I'm doing now is dead easy job, 2 minutes job basically. But I thought I'll still put it on the Raul TV Mechanics playlist. We've got Ford Mondeo here. I mean, it doesn't have to be a Ford Mondeo. Basically, any wiper blades that look like this, okay, the flat blades, okay, that looks like this. This is how we replace the wiper blades. But this is on a Ford Mondeo 2014, 13, 14 kind of thing. It's the one with the flat wiper blades, flat blades on it. Dead easy. It takes you 2 minutes to change them. Okay, let's go ahead and do it. Let's go. To replace the wiper blade, I mean, I don't know why I'm even doing a video on this one, because it's a dead easy thing, but hey ho, we'll just do it anyway. So all you do is you press this button here, okay, and what you do is, all you do to replace the wiper blades on these, like I mentioned, is dead easy. You just press this button here, okay, and then pull it with the other hand. Happy days, that comes off. That's it, job done. Okay, to refit it, I mean, exactly the same way we took it off. I mean, it's not rocket science. All we do is we get that lined up to that and just push it in there. Boom, there we go. Happy days. Wipers on. I'm going to go do the other side, exactly the same on the other side as well. That's it. Right, okay, so that must be the shortest Raul TV Team R4UL video in history. Okay, how to replace the wiper blades on a Ford Mondeo. Dead easy. Takes you 10 seconds, no more than 10 seconds. Okay, so yeah, hope this video helps you guys out. You know, I don't know why I'd even done a video, because you guys should know that anyway. I mean, anybody could do that. Well, I hope this video helps you guys out. If it didn't help you guys out, I'm sorry. Trying my best. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell button for me. Leave a comment in the comment section. Raul TV, Team R4UL, your favorite YouTube mechanic. See you guys. Bye.